recommend getting a 36 if you want it to be tall but not tall. Get a 36 because I didn't expect the 42 to be this tall. I had got a 48 inch, but I ended up swapping it out because it was even taller than this. It was damn near hit my CB. And this one is still pretty tall for the 42, but it's okay. I'll make it work. Most of the time, I don't shift up here. I normally just shift like right up in here, something like that, unless I need to flip the level down. But a 36 inch would be the recommended size for this. But I will get more into that later in the video. Right now, just trying to make it toward the house, get the truck washed. So with that being said, stick around. Couple gears, show y'all the motion of shifting with this type of setup. Guys that got these Prostar, you know 7 gears up here by the dashboard with the factory stick, man. So with 7 gear being right here, oh yeah, very comfortable, very comfortable. You don't have to lean up out the seat just to reach up here, especially if you got a real tall stick. Exchange this for one with the bigger hole. More than likely, it's probably going to be one that's stainless steel too. This one here was a universal mount. It was like $50. Now they did have one that was like $115. I really don't know why, because I really don't see a difference in it, but think about the lights, man, with, you know, with it shining and everything in here. So like, I can turn the tops off and have these shining across the top, or turn them on, turn them off. You know what y'all think, man? I think it's not right. It's not like so bright, but to me it seems just right to me. I know, but I'm finna pull in and get washed up. Got the truck washed up. Nice and clean. Alright guys, it's the next night. Yeah, so when I got here, I was like, you know what, I'll just try again tomorrow. I was hungry. Like, I gotta eat something. So anyway, show y'all what I'm about to do. So basically this is pretty much what you have. You have this nut on the end right here, and it's a bolt that comes all the way through. As you can see, the airlines run inside. The shifter here goes all the way up. So I'm gonna take it off and show you guys what to do to take it off. I mean, basically you just, I think it was so you're gonna need a 12 millimeter socket. So a 12 millimeter socket, and yeah, I had to put the camera down to break it. So yeah, once you get it, you know, loosened up, you know, just take the nut off, sit it somewhere where you don't lose it. And if you can see, right there, you have those these pieces that goes inside to make up for the space. But if I can get my light to see right, we'll be okay. It's difficult right now. Alright, that'll work. So just you know, push it out and just pull it out and pull these pieces out. Sit that to the side. And once you do that, yeah, just pull it up. Just pull it up. You got the shaft here, and it's a hole right there that goes through that. There you go. So what I'm about to do is cut my hole back out so I can put my boot back on to stop that heat from getting inside from the engine and stuff. So I'm gonna cut that out real quick. So I got the boot on, just ready to drop this back over the shaft. This what I meant about make sure you have enough line that comes out of here. That way you can be able to hook it up to your lines at the bottom, and you can have enough room to move it around where you can put it on and stuff like that. Like I said, once you get it on,
You can cut how much you need, but you don't want to cut too much to where you pull your lines when you have to remove this. You want to have a little bit of wiggle room in there. Make sure you match it up with the right color. At the top, whatever line you put on the red, make sure you put it on the red at the bottom. Whatever line you put on the black, same thing. Make sure you got the lines lined up on the right hookup. So what I'm about to do now is go ahead and put this back on the shaft, put the nut back through, and tighten it back down. So once you get the nut started on, you can tighten it back down. There we go. Got the boot on there. I might add a little chrome piece around the outside of it, give it a little style, a little chrome piece. But that's it. That noise right there you hear, only thing it is the fitting, the couplers inside the pole here, they like brass, so they're moving inside, hitting up against the pole. That's all that is. Nothing crazy. I was supposed to fix that, at least put some tape around it or something, but I guess I'll do it another time. But yeah, that's pretty much basically how you change it out. Nothing too hard about it. Like I said, just make sure you pull the nut off and pull that bolt out of there. Once you do that, you can pop it right up and unhook your airlines from the bottom down there. Make sure you got no slack where you can pull it up out of there, because if it falls down, you're gonna have to get up under there and push it back up through this hole. But if you can just pull it and sit some on top of it to where it'll stay, that'll work. And you install your new one and connect the lines, tighten it back up, you're good to go. That's all you gotta do. That's all it is to it, honestly. So that's pretty much it, man. I know it's dark out here and y'all probably can't see me, but before I go to end this video, let me give you guys a little light show and talk about the lights on the truck. I had a couple guys ask me about the lights and things like that, so I'm gonna go over that again with y'all, let y'all know where I got them from and all that stuff. So I gave you guys an overall look at the truck during the daytime of some of the things I got on it. This time, this is all the lights I got on it. I'm gonna start in the back since I'm back here. As y'all know, the 2 lights in the front. I mean in the middle, and the other 2 I added. These are watermelon lights. I put those in. The underglow lights, they are, as a matter of fact, let me show you the remote, that way you can know what brand to look for. Let's get in some light here. Let's make this light useful. So if you see this remote right here, it says Op 7. That's the brand that I have. This is what the remote looks like. Got different colors. You got 16 different colors. You got strobe, you got color fade, you got color cycle, and you got it where it'll play to the music. I ordered these off of Amazon. You can also find them on eBay. If you do decide to go with these, you want to get the flexible kind, because if you run them under your truck, you got some things under there that you're gonna need to go up under and go over and all that. So I know part of mine I had it like that, but most of it's pretty straight, and of course on the frame. But go with the flexible kind. It just you know, a whole lot easier than having to drill holes and mount with the hard kind, with the rods. So the underglow lights, like I said, they change color. Let me do that for you. So I can go from red to green. Let's see, we got blue. We got blue color, but it's like an amber or something like that right there. Something like that. And we got that color, or like a purple. So you can make it do that, color strobe and stuff. Put my red at. There we go. So that's it on the underglows. I like that polish right there. Look at that. Oh yeah, that look good right there. Yes sir. Yes sir. I also took that box on right there too. So underglows go all the way up under here. These bullet lights, button lights, whatever you want to call them. I got these off Amazon, I want to say. I bought these off of Amazon. I think they came like 10 in a pack, 20 in a pack. Some around there. But 10, 20, whichever one came first. I want to say it was 20. But I think it was 20, and it was a little over $1 per light. So I spent like 20 some dollars. That's with tax included. I think it was free shipping also. Bumper lights. I got these out the Chrome shop. I can't remember how much they was, but those are 3 inches. I used to have 4 inches on it, and I put the 3s on it. I like them a little bit better. The same thing on this side. I added 2 more lights in the visor. Y'all know that. Some of y'all new subscribers. I added 2 more lights in that visor up there. The visor actually came with the 5, like the factory light that comes on the factory visor, but I added 2 more. And because I wanted to go all the way straight across. It just looks better to me. So moving on to the inside. This is a small mini watermelon light that I added on the door right here. You can get those out the chrome shop or wherever. I used to have a light strip that goes along here, but I took it out and just put the watermelon lights in there and right there on the other side. Got those out the chrome shop. I think I got those out of Rainey's. Some of you guys already know that I just recently added these. 2 on each side. Work out this switch that I put in. All of my lights that I have are hooked up on factory switches in the truck. Like the lights off the back of the cab is hooked up to this light switch button right here. I want everything to be pre-fused. I don't want to have to add any external fuses and all that stuff. The only thing that I got a separate switch on is these lights, but they're still pre-fused because they're powered off of these lights. And I added the watermelon lights on the top. That's pretty much that's all the lights I got on here so far. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put any more lights on here. I don't know. I like it the way it is right now, honestly. But yeah, I got those lights up here out of the Chrome Shop, 75 Chrome Shop and Wildwood. Got those out of there. For all you guys that like red, this is for y'all right here. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Let's get something straight here. My favorite color is blue. But I just like the way the white and red look, man. I mean, I can't knock it. It look good, you know what I'm saying? White goes with a lot of stuff, just like black goes with a lot of stuff. White goes with a lot of stuff, man. I could take these red lights out and put blue lights in if I want to, and it's still gonna look good. I could take those blue lights out and put, I don't know, pink lights in there, and it's still gonna look white gold with everything, man. So, you know, let me see. Yeah, that's it, man. That's all the lights I got on here. I used to have underglows up under here, but I took them out. I took them out for when I get a bumper. I'm gonna stick them on the inside of the bumper, have them shining back that way, like the whole ground up down there and stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these when I do get a bumper. I'm not sure if I want to keep those on there or add some watermelon lights on the side. I'm gonna see how that go. Because if you can look, it's like this bumper kind of curves down in front of the tire. I don't know if the aftermarket bumper comes down and just go down straight instead of curving. If it goes down straight, then I'll add watermelon lights. If it curves, I'll just keep those on there because I need something that's gonna stick out and you know, and be like a attention grabber when I put the signal light on. I don't want it to be hidden. So that shit on the truck, man. Everything I did myself. Everything in this truck, on this truck, I did myself, except mounting the stacks. And if I had the tools to do that with, I would have done that myself. But I don't. So I didn't have no problem with letting those guys do it because I knew they could do it. Do a pretty good job. Added this deck plate. I actually strengthened it up the other day, and it's a whole lot stronger than what it used to be. Which it was strong, but it's like a whole lot stronger than what it used to be now. That's pretty much it, guys. That's all I got for this one right here. I just want to say I thank y'all, man. Thank all my new subscribers. I really appreciated the last video I did big numbers, major numbers. I had a lot of people comment, ask me questions, and I thank y'all for that. You know, I'm here to help anybody as much as I can. I don't know everything now. Just put that out there. I do not know everything, but I am willing to work with you. I'm willing to work with anybody in fit, man. I appreciate all my new subscribers for subscribing and everything like that. It was one subscriber that, I don't know who it was, but they said that they was a new subscriber and they was here as long as the channel is clean. I just want to say my channel is always gonna be clean. I don't bash nobody or do any of that stupid stuff that some other people be doing. The only thing I'm gonna focus on is bringing content to you guys on making your ride look good, maintenance, whatever I come across, I can point it out, and you know, stuff like that. That's it. That's all I'm worried about. That's all I'm concerned about. Other than that, we're going to end it right here. Go follow me on Instagram. You probably can't see that, but it's all about trucking. Go follow me on Instagram, guys. So, that being said, thanks for subscribing, like the video, share it, and y'all keep trucking, man. Be safe out.